All right, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Just received a job in. This is a job from the state of Maryland. So this is going into the shop. This was sent in for a Hammond Doc rebuild. Allow it to sit down. Okay, here are the tubes. Can. Capacitor. And let's see. Oh, yeah, busted tubes in here. It's a busted tube. Busted 1287. It's crushed. And I can see the second 1287 crushed in there. Okay, so it's in the box. Okay, so that's the other 1287. It's crushed. So obviously we won't be able to test those. But fortunately, the big ones, the expensive ones, the more expensive ones were bubble wrapped and protected. So I'll test those, 2 of those, and rebuild this 122 amplifier. All right, so the Hammond Doc has a job. And the Hammond Doc is going to take care of the job. Until the next video, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.